All party teams still waiting for appointment with Prime Minister. Chief Minister Ibobi maintains the same status even after 4 days. JCILPA's 38-hour cease work hits live in the valley on the second and last day today. Cyclone Ranu will hit northeast Manipur and 5 other northeast states, likely to experience heavy rains in next 24 hours. And Mary Com's dream for Rio Olympics shattered. She loses 0-2 to German boxer in World Women's Boxing Championship. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Premi Thangdam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. All political party team still continues to wait for an appointment with the central leaders and there is no change in the status 4 days after Chief Minister Okram Ibobi told the media that the team was waiting for a green signal from the centre. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi has once again told the media persons that the all political party team is still awaiting for an appointment with the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister to discuss the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly last year. The Chief Minister gave the response when the media inquired him about the meeting of the all-party team with the central leaders 4 days ago. Media persons today inquired Okram Ibobi on the issue on the sidelines of the observance of Anti-Terrorism Day at the first Manipur Rifles banquet hall. The Chief Minister maintained that the team has already requested for an appointment with the Union Home Minister and it is waiting for a response from the centre.
Appointment sik tawre madu hek phangbaga koi chatnana bana dum ready de leire adu khara honorable prime minister chi me gi tang 27 da chu Shillong da lakani hai adu gumbagi atai hanagi pre engagement leina chinna hujik phaudi appointment chi piraktrieba party less government di oiba chidadi rajniti gi akaknaba political party amaki nati khoi mayam gi issue je state sigi issue ne ba adana mayam ju dum mateng pangwiba kasu kaidena ate party ato party sing chiso.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today expressed concern over the expenses incurred in counter-terrorism which are affecting the state's economy. Okram Ibobi was speaking at the state-level observance of Anti-Terrorism Day at the banquet hall of the first Manipur Rifles to commemorate the 25th death anniversary of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. The former Prime Minister and the Congress leader was killed by a suicide bomber in Sri Perumbudur in Tamil Nadu during an election campaign on this day in 1991. The Chief Minister also asserted that terrorism has not only affected the law and order in the state but created a major hurdle in the development activities. Home Minister, Cabinet Minister, MLA, representatives of Hill Areas Committee, top civil and police officials attended the event. The attendees took the pledge to stand against terrorism.
Civil society organizations, non-government organizations, Mama Mapa, Oiversimasu Masa Masu Simbu, Afava, Wakal, Loxing, Azuga, Lamjing, Lamtak, Vidna, Atumba, Maitega, Lamjing, Giu, Haina, I did.
As observed in other parts of the country, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC also observed the 25th Anti-Terrorism Day today at Congress Bhavan. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi said assassination of the young and dynamic former Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi, was against the people of this great nation. He reiterated that the Congress has been and will always stand against any form of terrorism. Deputy Chief Minister Gakhangam MPCC President T.N. Haukip, ministers, MLAs and party workers attended the event and also paid homage to the former Prime Minister.
Yamna naha wariba tungi asha yamna lairiba Bharat ki praja citizen khudimangna asha sauna laiba adugumba koigi nation natana internationally recognized tawraba adugumba naha wariba Hana Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi bu yamna tamthiba mawngda hatkhibido नेशनगी मायोक्ता लेबनी अदुना मसिगुम्बा टेररिस्टसिंग असे मसी अखोई यानिंगदे हाइदना एंटी टेररिज्म डे हाइदना ngasi asi party na sinbiraga mafam asida pangthokchabani.
The 38-hour cease work imposed by the Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System, JCILPS, continues to paralyze life in the valley on the second and last day today. Protesters continue to block road and prevent vehicular movement on all major roads since early morning in support of the 38-hour cease work, demanding conversion of the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly to protect the indigenous people of the state to enact. Braving the rain, people took to streets and enforced the cease work at different places in Imphal Valley. Passenger services and private vehicles remained off the roads, and government and private offices, educational institutions and business establishments were also remained closed for the second day today. However, there is no report of any untoward incident occurring during the cease work till now. People blocked roads at Chingmairong Mamang Laikai, Chingmairong Maning Laikai, Diulalan, ISBT Kurai Lairiging Bam Laikai, Kurai Lamlong, Konong Mamang, Ol Tumbukton, Moirangkom and Konjeng Hazari Laikai. Police fired smoke bombs and tear gas shells to disperse the agitators in Konjeng Hazari Laikai. A number of protesters today took out a rally from Wangkai Kongba Road. They were stopped by police personnel near the traffic island at Palace Gate as they tried to proceed towards the CM's bungalow. Scuffles broke out between the protesters and the police before police prevented them from proceeding further. Protesters held sit-in on the middle of the road at Mongkang Lambi Thongkong in Thongju. The protesters questioned why the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and MLAs have remained silent when some Naga MLAs opposing the 3 bills can approach the centre. They also burned the effigies of Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Thongju MLA.
Ngasi akhoi khabar ra pabada akhoi gi nagagi MLA Marina akhoi gi ILP Manipur chana halu habaji withdraw tawni tawhalu haidana akhoi taksan gani haina Delhi da chakre aduga akhoi Manipur da lairiba MLA Mantri Mandon akhoi gi lairiba kangu singchida kaimta tumina laisalaga laidana akhoi gi ILP chana halu habaji gi moina kaimta thawai yaudana laibaje masi nungaite.
Volunteers of JCILPS blocked the Imphal Zirbam Road, preventing traffic movement. Maira Paibi members of Sagolban, Mainolairak, Maishnam Nongthoba Laikai placed logs and bamboos on the road and halted traffic. The 38-hour cease work also hit life in other districts of the state. It affected life in Taubal Bazar. The protesters demonstrated on the roads despite the heavy showers and prevented movement of all kinds of vehicles on the roads. People staged sit-in at Yairipok in support of the JCILPS 38 hours cease work. A large number of protesters, including members of clubs and Maira Paibi from Yairipok, demonstrated on the road and formed human chains. Later, they took out a protest rally. Residents of Uripok Taurangbam Laikai termed the rumor of a man being killed by the supporters of the indefinite band along Uripok Kangchup Road last night as unfounded and unfortunate. A meeting in connection with the death was held this afternoon at Sri Sri Radha Govinda Mandap and deliberated on the allegation made against the locals. Mention may be made that the death of Okram Balendro, age 43, son of Okram Chow Yaima of Pishum Oinam Laikai, who allegedly returned after buying a cake for his daughter's birthday, went viral on social media, Facebook. Speaking to media, President of Uripok Taurangbam Laikai Welfare Organization, Ayek Pamjiten, said the death of Balendro was an accident, and on hearing the news, locals rushed to the spot and took him to hospital. No band supporters gave him any threat. Jiten also appealed everyone not to spread rumors and incite hatred among the people.
Mi phunaba injanba khanaba ibase koi khamdana lakuni atei lire kaya la asu koi gi khanaba chain ba torbo su koi na da khamjaba ngaktani adu ngarang gi thokduk chimadi koi tachengna koi khangongde among tokde masi khangong gadobdi area sida tariba police officer sing nataka police sing loinga khangam moidi throughout night duty ta leibani moi maning lom de gi ta naraga thabani khotpani abisu koi tai adu police sing de su masi police sing gi aseng morong ni khangani amungena sengna mari chumna khangbi ge ba ta gadi madu da yauri ba jesi semi ba ekoi gi dharna to ba jesi semi ji kangu sing su tanar ga thopi ge ne na khanje.
A team of Imphal's police commando arrested a pre-packed VC cadre on the 19th of this month during a search operation in Saungbung. The arrested cadre is identified as Nongmaitim Shyam alias Chinglin alias Ahan, 51 years, son of late N. Jateshwar Singh of Saungbung Gate. A case has been registered at Lamlai Police Station. A team of Imphal West Police Commando arrested two cadres of Kuki Revolutionary Army KRA during checking and frisking in front of the Tampa Hotel North AOC. One Maruti 800 car along with incriminating items were seized from them. Investigation revealed that they are involved in extorting money from government officials in Imphal area. A case has been registered at Imphal Police Station. Let's take a short commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Delta Tutorals for CBSE. Admissions open. Class 9, 10 and 12 Science from April 4. Class 12 Arts from May 4. Class 11 Science from June 6. Vacation course for Navodayas and others from May 4. Class timing 5:30 to 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. For details, please visit Delta Tutorals between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m.
The first urban cross hatchback Datsun Ready Go with 800cc Supna Tagilupa Lak Animakai Piva car Sigi features Cindy, ground clearance 185 mm, space 222 liters, power steering, drive computer, mileage 25.14 km per liter, immobilizer, passenger class warranty. Lupalisang mga khatana book Tawbiharo, Island Nissan near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Manipurgi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na chingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpiba 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna hingjagan ngasimag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic, MZ Avenue, Imphal.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. After battering entire Indian East Coast, Cyclone Ranu is now all set to give torrential rains over the northeastern region of India. According to the SkyMedWeather.com, parts of Lower Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura will witness heavy to very heavy rains during the next 24 hours. Isolated places are likely to witness extremely heavy rains and thunder showers as well. Squally winds of damaging potential with speed of 60 to 80 km per hour, gusting up to 100 km per hour will be blowing over the region. After skirting West Bengal coast, Cyclone Ranu is now heading in east-northeast direction towards Bangladesh coast. After making landfall near Chittagong coast in Bangladesh, the system will weaken significantly. Thereafter, it is likely to move towards northeast region as well, marked low pressure area only. The police arrested a suspect yesterday midnight in connection with the death of a young woman at Uchiwa Thambal Hobi under Mayang Imphal Police Station. 20-year-old Wahengbam Ichil of Sekmaijin Kunau Mayay Laikai was found dead under suspicious circumstances at a fish farm on the 19th of this month. The arrested person is identified as Akongbam Bijen, 24 years, son of A. Tarpan from Mayang Imphal, Thana Awang Laikai. JAC against the brutal killing of W. Ichal Devi in a press release stated that the JAC resolved to suspend the band along Mayay Lambi in view of the prevailing situation in the state. It also resolved to resort to intense agitation from May 25th if the government do not transfer the officer in charge of Mayang Police Station, book all the culprits, and the murder is not carried out by a single person, compensate the grieving family. The release also appealed to all not to dismantle the house of the persons involved in the killing. Consumers Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Khetri Mayum Biren said sufficient rice stock is available for distribution to the people under the Food Security Act. He asked the fair price shop agents to deposit the required amounts to the DSOs concerned and distribute rice at the earliest. Speaking to media persons, the minister said the act was implemented on April 25th and the central government allocated 95,000 tons of rice and nearly 2,300 tons of wheat for the state. Under the act, the state will provide 87% of ration cards, but 74.64% cards have been distributed. He appealed to the beneficiaries not to panic about not getting the cards.
Fair price shopping na paisa deposit tauraga district authority gi through the DSO amadi adugi mokai authorized tawar representatives in through the state ki godown dagi sing je pubiraga tongan ba fair price shop ta thin gedabani adra hoji pobada matam chana fair price shop singna deposit taurakta bara abdi directorate tagi payment tauraga sing launa manaba taurakta banara hojik se ayamba district si sing lobo laktaba.
The minister expressed his grief over the unfortunate incident that took place at Lamlai while distributing rice under the act. He said that those involved will be booked after conducting an inquiry. He also appealed to the public to call the minister's office at 245-2512 or toll-free number 1-800-345-3821 or log on to www.pdsmanipur.nic.in to avail information on the act or if there is any complaint.
Involved Toribo officer Natraga agent Mayamsuna Aranba Toraba Natraga Karigumba Kangi Nimble Regati Ekoi telephone number 1800 toll free ni 3453821 Sida Adolina Igi office number 2452512 Sida Adolina Ekoi website www.pdsmanipur.nic.in Sida complaint Yagani.
Dr. Palin Kulungbam, Chairman cum Managing Director of Caesar Hospitals, has been listed among the 25th Living Legends in Healthcare of India by Medgate Today in its May-June 2016 edition. Medgate Today is published by Advanced Media Group based in New Delhi, Dr. Pratap C. Reddy of Apollo Group of Hospitals, Hyderabad, Dr. M. Wali, physician to the President of India, Dr. Anjan Bose of Healthcare Federation of India, Dr. Ramakanta Panda of Asian Heart Institute, Mumbai, Dr. Ashok Seth of Fortis Escorts Heart Institute, Delhi, Dr. K.K. Agrawal of Indian Medical Association, Delhi, Dr. Alok Roy of Medica Group of Hospitals, Kolkata are among the stalwarts listed. Dr. Palin is the only one from the Northeast to be included in the list. Directorate of University and Higher Education will organize a two-day education cum counseling fair on May 22nd and 23rd at the DM College Multi-Purpose Hall. About 80 empaneled, reputable private institutions from all over the country will be participating in the event. This is the third such event to be organized in Manipur for higher education. Students and their guardians have been asked to participate and take advantage of the event. 1.5 kilometer long inter-village road connecting Purum Chumbang Khul, Chandal district and National Highway 102 was inaugurated today by Deputy Commissioner Chandal.
ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯤꯕ꯭ꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯐꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯗꯤꯕ꯭ꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ
The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE declared the CBSE Class 12 results today. The results were announced on its official websites www.cbse.nic.in and www.cbseresults.nic.in. The results are available via Android mobile app DigiResults. CBSE will also be disseminating its results through interactive voice response system. A total of 14,99,122 students had appeared in the exam across the country. Now some sports news. It is a sad news for our fans and well-wishers. MC Mary Kom has failed to qualify for Rio Olympics. The Olympic bronze medalist lost 0-2 to Germany's Azize Nimani in the second round of World Women's Boxing Championship and its curtains on her Rio dream. The five-time world champion had qualified for the second round by defeating Sweden Juliana Soderstrom in her opening bout of the IBA World Women's Boxing Championships on Thursday. Mary Kom started her bout against Nimani aggressively, but the German managed did well to bounce back. While Mary Kom kept on attacking, Nimani showed solid defensive tactics and then counter-attacked to seize the momentum. The pre-quarters exit means she will not be a part of the Indian contingent in the upcoming Rio Olympics being held in August. Manipur Hockey and Hockey Gangpur Odisha will meet in the final of the Hockey Indian Sub-Junior Men's National Hockey Championship A Division. In the first semi-final, Manipur Hockey thrashed Hockey Jharkhand 4-1. For the host team, Jenjen Ningombam, Deepu Laishram, Ibungo Konjengbam scored the goals. In the second semi-final, Hockey Gangpur Odisha beat Hockey Chandigarh 2-1 to reach the final. Hockey Jharkhand and Hockey Chandigarh will clash for the third and fourth place tomorrow morning. The final is scheduled for tomorrow afternoon. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. All party teams still waiting for appointment with Prime Minister. Chief Minister Ibobi maintains the same status even after 4 days. JCILPS 38 sees work hits live in the valley on the second and last day today. Cyclone Ranu will hit northeast Manipur and 5 other northeast states, likely to experience heavy rains in next 24 hours. And Mary Kom's dream for Rio Olympics shattered. She loses 0-2 to German boxer in World Women's Boxing Championship.